Guys, this is transparent. You mean this is transparent?
Yeah, when you wrote the definition of transparent.
We are going on a trip, babe. That doesn't mean nothing is transparent when we go on a trip.
Okay. See my fashion sense when we go on the trip then.
Why, babe? Buji, lightweight ones goes in the zipper. This is the main section. You're putting on the opposite side.
So all those are lightweights only.
Wow, this is so good, Ra. It's backless, frontless, sideless, all less.
I'll wear centerless.
How is this, Ra?
Proper honeymoon dress.
Water pose, I'm wearing swimsuit.
I'm going naked.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Kissy and I am Teju.
Tell her from my intro also you want to tell her.
Okay, you tell Ra.
This is Kissy.
This is Teju. Today we are packing our suitcases for our trip.
If it wasn't for her, I would have packed just on the same day.
That I know, guys. So that's why today is Sunday. Next week we are traveling. So I took this opportunity to make him work. Otherwise, he will pack. He will make me pack. He will make me pack. So instead of that, I forced him into doing this. Let's start.
She got smart after staying with me for a while. Like she understood all the tricks. But I have few more up my sleeves. So
And I also
stay
want,
tuned.
Buji, I also want to have fun, Ra. Come.
Okay.
Packing together is fun, more fun. Coming to the point, we have 20 kilos each as our main luggage. And then we have 2 carry-on. That is 7 kilos. So we'll start off this first bag. This is a fancier one. Guess whose bag it is. So plan is first we'll get the outfits done.
Okay.
So we are going for 5 days. We need like 2 outfits per day.
Like one for sleeping and one for after waking up.
No, we'll click a lot of photos. I don't want same photos at every location. That's the thing. And also I always travel with an idea of one day look and one night look.
You know what I deal with every day? Now you get it?
Let's start. Jokes apart.
Yeah.
Babe, be careful! I think that's better. Yeah, see? This is better. Buji, I'll start with my dresses, okay? Okay. How is this, Ra?
It's amazing. No?
So I'll get all my dresses one by one. You will show and we'll put off. Having fun, baby.
Just wait for my turn, bro. Have whatever movie you want to have, you have. And wait for my turn. You will stop recording the video only. Na.
How many dresses I gave you?
4. 4.5 actually. The first one you gave was like transparent only.
Guys, this is transparent. You mean this is transparent?
Yeah, when you wrote the definition of transparent.
We are going on a trip, babe. That doesn't mean nothing is transparent when we go on a trip.
Okay. Na. See my fashion sense when we go on the trip then.
Why, babe? This is like trip outfits. Come on, Ra.
Yes, it is. But inside you will have to wear something. No, this is.
Okay,
not
wait.
counted.
Buji, remove the hangers.
Oh,
What, Ra?
I'm not folding this. It's very complicated. Your dresses.
No, just fold decently, na?
Take.
See, I'll show you.
Okay.
Fold properly like this. Okay.
How will you fold this one then? Yeah. Show me how you fold this one.
Buji, everything I won't show. How many dresses I gave you, Ra?
4.5.
Buji. Here, baby. Take. Hey! Here.
Wearing sari also.
Actually, good idea, Ra. I think I should wear sari in Bali.
There is a temple where they don't allow you to wear.
Hey, my clothes are all like long only, baby.
Okay.
See?
Not sure.
All long.
Oh.
I didn't wash this, Ra. You remember this is our pre-wedding shoot wala dress. Do you remember?
Yeah.
I didn't want pre-wedding shoot only, guys. Just because of this guy, I had to.
You didn't want pre-wedding shoot. Huh?
No. And strictly I paid for it, so I really didn't want it. Tell Ra.
Yes, that's true.
Buji, lightweight ones goes in the zipper. This is the main section. You're putting on the opposite side.
So all those are lightweights only.
Vamo.
I
Yes.
never knew this.
You never packed your clothes. Thank you.
I had my mama.
గైస్ తిట్లు తెలుగులో నాకు వస్తున్నాయి కానీ కంట్రోల్ చేసుకుంటున్నా గైస్ తిట్టినా అర్థం కాదు కూడా
Oh, you stole this from there and they did it. Oh, this is not that.
దిస్ ఇస్ ఆన్లైన్ వాట్ విల్ ఐ స్టీల్ రా సారీ బేబు ఒరిజినాలిటీ ఇస్ కమింగ్ అవుట్
Olden days, guys used to get drunk and come home and scold the wives. Modern days, now they don't even have to get drunk.
ఇగ్నోర్ ద ఫూలిష్ బాతే ఓకే sometimes my husband is like this is night outfit, put it on the night.
I just count.
I wish I can fit into this is extra small bebos.
Have you seen yourself?
Oh, sorry, small. Look at this neck. It's worth dying for. Hey! Guys, I'm gonna look very good in this, for sure.
I have to be like this.
Vijay, strip, come on.
It's strip, not strip.
Wow. How is this, Ra? This one I got it online.
Very nice.
This is good, no? Just guess, guys. I just got it for 500 rupees.
Acho chango
It's a steal, guys. Yes or no?
STEAL.
Steal. That's what they say. English nahi, Angrezi nahi aata. Oh my god, baby. We forgot about that. This is my night look. How is this, Ra?
Proper honeymoon dress. No?
Should I wear this? I have photos in this.
Where the other one, the orange one?
Orange one I took. No?
Oh, you didn't take.
What about this? This is good, na?
This is also good.
Or is it too much?
It's not too much. It's just much.
What is the red one you're talking about? This one, na?
Yeah.
इसमें बहुत pictures है.
Which one?
Yes.
Nice how you posted.
This is my last year birthday dress, babe. You did not see that.
If I only didn't see it.
Only you don't see, okay?
Take one of these.
I'll
are
take
good
this.
Dresses.
This one.
See, good dresses doesn't mean if you had photo that doesn't mean that you cannot wear it again or anything. You can wear it again. These are good stuff.
Okay, I'll take the one. This one.
Okay.
How many over? What's the count, babe?
8.
What about this? This though I can't wear anywhere here. This is so good, Ra. It's backless, frontless, sideless, all less.
I'll wear centerless.
Come on, baby, be a charm. Okay, babe, that's it. I don't have any more clothes, baby. Dresses तो हो गया ना, jeans लेके आओ किसी.
You told 10 dresses, then take.
Remove this now. These are all new. He bought me this. I like it. This is from Zudio. Fuji scissors. Can you do this? I don't have that much strength.
See, if you like something there also you can buy. Don't try to pack.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Tell to the viewers. In front of the viewers, you tell.
And if you like something there, you can buy for yourself there also.
And I will pay. Tell that.
Of course, you're buying, you'll pay. This you can take up
No.
as a beach wear, like halka fulka.
Fulka? This is too transpo.
Abba. This is transparent. And the first dress was not transparent.
Pants, I don't like transparent stuff.
Comfortable when you're walking on the beach or waterfall.
Jeans hai na?
Waterfalls. No.
Waterfalls, so I'm wearing swimsuit.
I'm going naked.
You can. I'll leave you in Bali and come.
Somebody else will catch me.
Get the tops. You're disturbing my clothes.
So many tops.
Wait. Don't pull out. All those I can't wear. Take these tank tops. 1 and 2.
Bunny, not tank top.
Hey, shut up, Ra. These are called tank tops.
Me and my mom call bunny.
No, don't pull out without asking me, baby. Hey, shut up, Ra. I don't have any clothes now, to be honest.
If I
Oh,
could
black.
remove this, draw and show to the viewers, I'm sure they'll disagree with you.
Get the black one.
This one?
Huh. This one is good, na?
What is this? Just a sleeve, okay.
No, Ra, top.
Take, anyways, it's for trip, so
But अंदर क्या पहना?
nothing.
Nothing. Are you sure?
It's not transparent, no?
Are you
It's not
sure?
transparent.
Are you sure?
It's not transparent.
Hi, bye.
Just wait until I get my outfits.
Vijay will buy some tops today. Huh?
I'm not sure how many. What's the count of these tops you have?
Oh, white वाला ले लो. Oh my God, this is the deep we guys.
We.
This is the deepest neck I have ever worn in my life.
That's actually back run, not deep.
No, front and back both are same actually. This though I'll wear. I'm sorry. I want na kapde wala kapda.
Wear deep neck pants, ra.
Hi, bye. Have you lost it? Dimag?
No. Why should girls have all the fun? 5 days trip. 5 days trip. She packed almost around how many? Now, probably 10 pair of clothes. I don't know, like how many more are yet to come. But let's see.
Good, na?
Very nice.
This is palazzo pants and iske upar ye top.
Oh, I thought it was a hanky.
That's it. Done.
Done?
Should we take more?
Swimsuit.
I don't have swimsuit.
You had no, ra?
Gee, that is very conservative. Give me that bralette.
What's that?
It's a top which looks like a bra, but it's not. How's that?
I will never understand women's fashion.
Hi, bye. Is it enough clothes?
Yep.
Should I pack more?
Enough, ra, boy. Now let's pack mine.
Okay, let's pack yours now. उनका कपड़ा पैक करने में मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं. I don't feel interested in packing your clothes, by the way.
Should I call my mom or not?
And we didn't iron your shirt. You look very shabby. You are first of all shabby. Hey! Oh, you look more shabby. थोड़ा सा.
Sorry.
Vijay, watch it,
I
Ra.
didn't know.
You knew it.
Why will I know it? Why will I do it on purpose if I knew it?
You knew it. You did it on purpose, didn't you?
Why would any person do it on purpose? Tell me.
Husbands do, baby. This is the only way they get revenge. Hi, bye.
Then I think you should watch Cyanide Curry, okay?
In your suitcase, you already have clothes, baby. You did not unpack her from the previous trip, huh? Guys, I'll just open this one and show this guy's real nature. The real kissy is this. This is from our previous trip. Huh? Open, baby. Open. Last trip we went to Rajasthan. Shadi ka kapde. We attended a wedding. You didn't unpack.
No. The reality is, I packed it there only. Okay. And I didn't have space here because you took all the space.
Ji or roll on ra.
Yeah.
Please wear this, na? All the time. Not able to bear anymore.
Just pack off everything what I gave you. Don't ask questions, okay?
Please show your face. Not able to see the remaining part. Hold ra.
I thought you will be ironing these clothes.
Why will I, baby? If you don't look good, I will not take videos of you. I will just vlog for myself.
I'll show you the trick to pack the bags, Ra. See, like this.
Over, huh? Did you count how many outfits you're carrying?
This one jeans.
Okay. One.
This one pant.
What is this pant? A formals क्यों पहन रहा है?
Is
Why
it
you take?
formals? Does it look formal?
मुझे formals रहा. Are you going to office or what?
No, on this it's like casual only. A white shirt. If I wear on this, how it will look? Imagine.
Okay. That you have, no? They're looking similar.
Yeah, but the color is not similar. No, are you colorblind or what?
That is almost same, baby.
Okay, Raj. Just see if you feel like taking or not.
So you have one shorts only. This one can you pack?
I'm wearing right now. No? Do you want me to?
Later.
Of course.
What about the tees, ra?
Teas. No, I don't like tea. I don't drink tea.
T-shirts.
Okay.
Should we buy
T-shirts.
2 or 3 T-shirts for you?
We'll have to buy, I guess. I don't have many t-shirts.
How many
The
are?
problem with t-shirt, it's
It's okay, babe. That's fine. You will reduce it.
right now you're okay, na? Then we click photos.
Yeah, sometimes I get pissed off, but it's fine.
One gray and one more is there.
You have dark gray, black, light gray. You have that light gray. Why this much? Only grays you're wearing. No need your 50 shades of gray.
It's a honeymoon. Of course.
You're bringing all your 50 shades?
80.
Enough, enough. Babe, I have one hat.
Hey, do you want to carry that Coimbatore wala hat?
Which one, Ra?
Forgot the flip ones.
Oh, that thing. No, Ra. This is a cap he's talking about. He gifted me this. And it is a very special gift actually. Thanks, Rose. I'll give you the story later. No time for romance right now. Got fed up. For your undergarments, you can take one. You can pack your stuff.
But I don't wear one.
That we know, but actually, for the trip, no, we are
Just
going.
kidding, guys. Just kidding.
No, guys.
Don't get
it's-
excited.
No, no, guys, that's the truth, guys. Vijay, help me pack makeup now.
I'll give one thing. Just dump like this.
Bring my shoes.
I
Yeah,
was
shoes,
about
shoes.
to say shoes.
What about your shoes? Get your shoes also, baby. So these are for my hotel, and these are for my airport, and I have 2 more pairs coming up for actual Bali. Bujay, I want 1 pair. Today we'll buy.
How many you will buy?
Bujay, but these don't go on all outfits. That's the problem.
You already have no.
Only
whatever.
one I need. That's it.
See, usually you throw all these things. I hide them from you, and now they are useful.
Okay, give your shoes, Ra. This halka mein dal do.
If they will dare. I thought this will keep for wet clothes.
Guys, wet clothes are heavy or dry shoes are heavy? Just please confirm with this.
Huh?
This to I doubt. Ulta kar, baby. You need not fold so much, baby. You did not fold your clothes also that much, okay? Should I carry this one
Huh?
for the backpack? How about this, Ra?
Just in case if it rains.
Is it too big for me?
No, this is.
I don't know. I think it's a selfie stick. Drone is not allowed in this thing because we are flying, no? Have to charge this.
Charge it now, then.
Okay, I'll put this aside. Then put this here so that we'll know we have it here.
Okay.
I'll stamp this for sure. I'll put it here.
You'll forget that for sure. Then. Keep it here.
Let's pack undergarments, no?
Not on camera.
Guys, we came to Zudio. We are missing on some essentials for him
Yeah, some t-shirts.
and for me too. I want some kapde.
This one. Want the list. Let's buy something which is like holiday mode again. 399. If it's 399, then why not just buy for 499 my shirt only, ra?
The t-shirt is good, Ra. Take that. Pick a few and we'll try on. And then if we like it, we'll take it. Otherwise, we'll drop it. If you don't like t-shirts, we'll take shirts.
Okay.
How many you want to take?
3, I guess. 2 or 3 t-shirts.
We'll take 3. Guys, every 5 minutes he gets a phone call. And then we will end up not buying anything. He's wasting our time.
Okay, let's buy. How fast?
No way. What do you think, Ram? You like it?
The prisoner from US County.
Hi guys, we are back.
Yep.
We're super tired, yaar.
Super energetic, guys. I think the mic is not working, guys. I can't see the light. You turned a bit towards that left only, ra.
Buji, you sit there, Ram. Sit there, aram se. Like you sit there and give me instructions. I'm so tired. Guys, we did some shopping, guys. For like we didn't have enough clothes for him.
Yeah.
So we did some shopping.
I didn't have enough clothes.
And
for
off
me,
camera,
so-
we packed our innerwear, socks, and stuff like that, which you don't want to know about.
Hankies.
Hankies. Hankies? You packed your hankies?
Okay.
So we have these bags, which are pretty useful. He never knew this kind existed actually. He was like not aware of this
Made
kind.
the traditional Indian packet plastics.
My makeup guys.
Now you know.
Vijay, don't you dare comment on my beauty.
Is this not the makeup kit bag?
No.
Okay, until then you show my t-shirts.
Okay guys, we went to Zudio and then we got these amazing t-shirts, guys. Amazing. If I like them, I keep them. Thanks. Okay, show them your thing.
My thing?
Bye.
My thing, people.
This is so good. The color is so good. Vijay, after you use 1 or 2 times, I'll take it. Ram. After this trip, I'll take these. These are mine only. I love these. See these prints on the back. Vijay, will you help me pack my makeup?
I can't do that.
Please, Ram.
Just one thing, guys, that whenever you go for a trip, the expense for the trip is always lesser than preparation for the trip. Isn't it, baby?
Yeah. It is always less, guys. The expense of the trip is 0 for him because this is my gift to him. You're right, babe.
And preparation for the trip is always great. That's why she always takes up the trip part.
eyeliner bhi dal do ye.
This is not eyeliner, okay? It is nail polish.
This is blue eyeliner, baby.
Who uses blue eyeliners?
I have, baby. I use.
I really want to see that. Like, what did you even think while buying this?
Makeup is an art. For people who don't understand, they will never get it.
Take this also, Zanduba.
Because I'm traveling with you, I need definitely. How is this lip gloss?
Let me taste it.
Here.
Not from this.
Is it good?
Just spoiled the look.
Okay, that's it, babe. I'm done with the makeup packing.
Makeup removal thing.
That is coming under toiletries.
Never organized this much while packing. You know what is my
Leave that
makeup
out
and
because-
toiletries? एक toothbrush, एक toothpaste, comb, oil, hair oil, and a face wash. That's it.
That's why your face is like that.
And full of makeup and toiletries.
That's why your face is like that, baby.
Betiya.
Baby. Guys, I'll show you something. This is Kissy's gift. Silver bracelet. It is really good. Never wore it though. Vijay, don't have jewelry. क्या पहनूं? Nose ring?
I would love to see you wearing nose rings.
Nose rings, plural.
Drop. Oh, yeah. You saw that Doom 2?
Super good, baby. You should wear this, Ra. You should wear it here.
I couldn't get the beard. My
Vijay,
mom will scold me tomorrow.
we should
Can
send
I?
a picture to your mom like this, huh? Guys, I got the shorts also. This is so good. This is in DMart, guys. It's just 200 rupees. 220 rupees.
Who gives zips in the center?
पीछे.
Center mein. When you fart so that the air comes up outside from here. That's why. Yeah.
Give me that bag, baby. What should we put in this?
Toiletries.
Here, guys. This is for toiletries. This is for toiletry, guys. I have a shaving kit also, baby. Ah, guys, packing is too tough, guys. If I'm not there, he couldn't have done it at all. I'm sure. Right?
Half an hour before I'll come and do it off.
Then you'll be like, babe, I forgot that. Babe, I forgot this. Babe.
That's very hectic. Probably.
Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed our video. We loved packing with you.
Yep.
That's it. Huh? We loved packing it with you. Thank you very much for following us and seeing this video. And there's more content that's going to come up. We want to shoot how the Bali trip went, where all we went, something like that.
True.
So we will take you along this trip. So stay tuned. Follow Kissy and Teju and share our content to anybody who would be interested in such content.
Yep.
Anything else, boss?
Thanks a lot, guys.
To me.
Thank you too for the trip, for the honeymoon trip.
Not for that, Ra.
Then for
For just being in your life and making it colorful.
that. Yes, that's true.
Okay, guys. See you. Love you. Guys, see you until next video.